Then coming to that of the levels in which the currencies are expected to swing, Euro formed the initial low 1.0774. Here it shows 1.0714, that was low of Friday, and the high is 1.0798 or 99. So they are not breached the low or the high. They are now closer to the low, but not breached it. And in the case of the GBP, 1.2478 is the low, 1.2499 is the high. They are not breached the low or the high. Then in the case of yen also, 112.23 is the low, 112.71 is the high. Then in the case of CHF, 0.9908 is the low, 0.9928 is the high. They are not breached to the low or the high in all these currencies. Then in the case of Canadian dollar, 1.3014 is the low. They just breached it by 3 pips and then gain again. So they are expected to make either way stop-ins in the case of USDCAD. So to start with, they are handling the commodity pairs, and also you come across a contrarian move in the commodity pairs. So in the sequential move, they will just handle the commodity pairs. Then subsequently, they will come to the yen and yen crosses. Then the majors and the European crosses in the trending move as well. Then Australian dollar 75.25 is the low, 70. Sorry. They are not breached. So in all the currencies, they have set the initial lows and the highs, and they are not breached them. It indicates that they are just waiting for the traders to commit positions. They are making small moves here. If you see the net change, Euro is showing negative net change. USDN is also showing negative net change. Then GBP is showing negative net change, and CHF is unchanged. Then Canadian dollar is showing negative net change. Australian dollar is also showing negative net change. Just about 10 minutes back, all the currencies were showing negative net change. That indicates that the players are just let loose the market so that the traders could take some sell positions. Then later on, they will firm up and induce them to do the short covering and then drop again. Because only when the traders come for short covering, the players will be able to sell at a higher level. So you have to keep in mind that the players are here to trap the traders, and only then they will be able to make their intentional move on the upside or the downside. The forecast says that they are expected to make the intentional move on the upside. But this week, they are expected to make the high level consolidation with a quick drop as an extended drop by Wednesday, Thursday, and induce the traders to liquidate the higher level long position what they had taken, and then continue to rise the market, so that when that market comes to resistance and drop, then immediately the traders tend to think that next time when it comes to resistance level, we should sell. Because initially they just taken the buy position once the resistance is breached, but the market dropped. So next time they will think that it is a resistant level and there could be a brief noise above that of the resistance level, then they will try to take sell position. But the players will continue to gain and induce the short covering. So this is how